What does it mean to be healthy? To have a low risk of disease? To live a long and healthy life? And, more importantly, how do we get there? What if I told you that your lifelong health and disease risk could be traced all the way back to when you were just a sperm and an egg? Early origin science, otherwise known as the developmental origins of health and disease, or DOHAD for short, is the idea that our lifelong health and disease risk is not only influenced by factors such as our diet, activity level, and genetics, but also the health of our parents before and during pregnancy, and the environmental signals that we were exposed to while developing in the womb. Before pregnancy, factors like our parents' diet, where they lived, how stressed they were, and what their housing conditions were like not only affected their health, but our health as well, since these same factors influence our parents' eggs and sperm, including the very same eggs and sperm that created us. During pregnancy, these same factors acted as environmental signals that shaped how we grew and developed, and how we, as fetuses, communicated with the outside world. This communication is through an organ called the placenta, which acts like a telephone by sending us signals to help us get ready for the outside world, increasing our chances of living a long and healthy life. The health of our father, or non-birthing parent, also influenced our growth and development in the womb, since seminal fluid and sperm help to form the placenta, impacting how it works. Since there are so many different factors before and during pregnancy that can influence the health of a fetus, it's important that we treat pregnancy health as a community issue and not just an individual issue. By working together to reduce pollution, increase access to food, housing, healthcare, and mental health resources, and increase social supports for parents before and during pregnancy, we can provide future generations with a healthy start to life and lower their risk for chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and stroke, diseases that scientists know have early origins. In the Sloboda Lab at McMaster University, we're dedicated to learning more about the early origins of health and disease and advocating for the well-being of our communities. We investigate the biological pathways and signals between the pregnant person and the fetus and how they change over pregnancy, as well as how things like gut bacteria can influence pregnancy health and the health of babies. We also look at how the health of both parents influences how the placenta grows and develops and shapes the fetal environment. Using this research, we can help improve the health of our communities. By communicating this science to the public and talking about health, we can learn about the factors that limit and promote healthy behaviors, and how we can support a healthy start to life in our communities. To learn more about early origin science and what we do in the Sloboda Lab, please visit www.slobodalab.com.